Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip. We are going to visit Bally's Hotel and Casino today. That colorful roof you see below us, we're actually taking an escalator down to the ground level right here, belongs to the Bally's Grand Bazaar shops here in Las Vegas. That's one entrance to get into Bally's through those shops, and we're going to take a walk through here to show you how to get into Bally's from here. Another entrance is through Paris Hotel and Casino. There's a corridor of shops and restaurants in the Paris Hotel that also lead to the Bally's Casino, and we'll take a look at that in a couple moments. But before we head into Bally's, let's check out this Bally's Grand Bazaar shops here and see what's going on here, shall we? Now, while there's tons of malls here on the Las Vegas Strip, the Grand Bazaar Shops is not a standout as far as a place to go shopping. Yes, there's some restaurants here and a place to grab a nice cold beer or a cocktail or two, but as far as shopping and stores are concerned, there's much better places to shop on the Las Vegas Strip. However, walking through here at night is kind of a fun activity. It's lit up very pretty, and there are a couple stores that you might want to wander through, and of course, this is the main way to get into Bally's. I guess what I'm getting at here is why stop off and walk around here when the Link Promenade is just a block away. Coming up here on the left is Giordano's Pizza. I did a video on Giordano's. Actually, I did a video on this whole Bazaar Shops area. But Giordano's Pizza, one of the best pies you can get on the Strip as far as I'm concerned. The best pie in Las Vegas? Perhaps not. Don't forget there are lots of pizzerias downtown and lots of good ones too, so I think a pizza challenge is in the future here on the New York channel. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hold on tight. And like many places in Las Vegas, you have to take a long escalator up just to turn around and take a long escalator down. Las Vegas is a city of escalators, and once in a while you'll be finding one that works. And before we check out the casino and the restaurants here as well as downstairs, we're going to show you that other entrance that I talked about earlier in the video that comes in from the Paris Hotel and Casino. They are sister hotels, both Caesar properties, and this is the entrance to the casino via the Paris. Bally's is typically not known for a destination place to go to eat. However, there are a couple restaurants here, including BLT Steak, the Burger Brasserie. Downstairs, which we'll visit in a couple moments, has the Nosh Deli, Sbarro, Lavazza, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs. One standout, however, is the Sterling Brunch at Las Vegas. If you're looking for a nice brunch in this town, Sterling is probably Las Vegas's best kept secret. And it's not cheap, folks. It's located inside BLT Steak, and for more than 30 years, the renowned Sterling Brunch at Bally's has been a go-to stop for Vegas visitors looking to splurge. As soon as you sit down to dine at Sterling Brunch, champagne is poured along with signature oversized Gruyere cheese-flavored popovers. The buffet line allows guests to feast on royalty on endless Alaskan king crab legs, lamb, lobster tails. That's right, endless lobster tails, prime rib, sushi, and fresh shucked oysters. Melt-in-your-mouth truffle mashed potatoes, banana bread pudding, French toast, cream spinach, yogurt parfaits with granola, a custom omelet station, a charcuterie plate, and mozzarella and tomato dish also set the scene. Again, it doesn't come cheap, but it's definitely going to be memorable. And of course, I always realize there are people with champagne taste and Budweiser wallets, and for those people, head on downstairs. There's lots of quick bites down here, including Nathan's Famous, and lots of other things to check out, including some shops, an arcade, a couple of arcade games. the Real Bodies display or exhibit, which there's a video here on the New York channel about the Real Bodies exhibit. Also, the Bally sports book is down here. I have no idea why it's down here. I guess they just ran out of room on the casino floor and said, hey, let's put it by the Nathan's Famous Hot Dog place. So that's where you're going to find Bally sports book, down here. And last time I was down here, they also had a glow-in-the-dark miniature golf as well as a 2 or 3 lane glow-in-the-dark bowling alley as well. Not an official size bowling alley, but a place for the kids to go. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Caesars is not secretive that it wants to sell one of their properties on the Las Vegas Strip sometime next year, 2022. Obviously, Caesars Palace would be off the table, and I think the Link would be kind of off the table as well, so the 3 top contenders would be Planet Hollywood, Harrah's, or Bally's. Caesars has already separated itself from the Bally's name in Atlantic City, so I have a feeling this is the hotel that they're going to dump come next year, and we'll see what happens. It could be Planet Hollywood too. There's been lots of interest from outside parties on Planet Hollywood, so only time will tell. This is the Jubilee Theater, currently showing Extravaganza. Prepare to take a heart-stopping journey through the dazzling world of Las Vegas entertainment with the critically production. Yep, I left that in just to show you guys during the editing process of these videos. I get tongue-tied quite often. And that's pretty much it for Bally's here on the Las Vegas Strip. What'd you think? Leave a comment below.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.